Cox-Smith.com. Smile for me. I am here today with how to start a print-on-demand business. I am going to show you how to effectively connect your Etsy store and your Shopify store to Shirtly. Now, I've actually already have my Shopify store connected, but I've had questions about how do you add your products. So you have to create a product first in Etsy. Some people were having some issues, but I just wanted to do a quick video on this. Now, my Shopify was the first thing that I connected on my Coins and Connection store, so it currently shows that it's active. Something, if you have not seen already, that you can create the white label for this, for your store name to show up when you buy stuff. All of this is in the sections that is marked My Stores. And to add another store, you can actually add as many Etsy stores as you want, and I believe as many Shopify stores as you want in this section. Also, the products that come in from your Shopify store will be hosted in the product section that is underneath stores, okay? So these are the products that have been synced from your Shopify store right now. But I'm going to go through the process of connecting my Etsy store and showing you guys how that works. So currently I have sync products that will show up here in a second. Still uploading. And then you have voided products, basically products that you don't want to be fulfilled by Shirley. So here it says I have a total of 174 products that are synced, right? So that just shows up here, so if I wanted to void it, I would do that. If not, I just have all these things. So it says Shirley automatically syncs all of your store products. Here you can choose which products to fulfill with Shirley and which ones to void. So that means if I was to get basically a sale from my Shopify store and I wanted to be fulfilled by Shirley, I would need to make sure that I get that product, filled by Shirley. So of course my stuff is showing, but let's let's click on here to void the listing. But if you don't want to void the listing and you want to have them fulfilled by Shirley, they're all just already checked. So you can say, I'm going to select all, but I don't, you don't want to void them. But this where these shirts can be fulfilled by Shirley. The ones that you void will be here and you'll still have access to them. You can still bring them back, etc. And then I haven't used a product creator yet, but I'm assuming you can just use this link to create a new product here. So this is coming soon, all right? So that's why I haven't used it yet. So it'll just basically show you here where you can upload your design, choose the product, and then list the product from Shirley, much like how Printful does with Shopify, okay? So you'll make it here and then it'll push it to your Shopify store, right? So now we're gonna go back to stores because all my products are there, so I don't have an issue with syncing that. I did on my other store when I did the video, had an issue with syncing my Etsy, but I was assuming it was because that actual Etsy shop is currently on vacation mode. So we're going to see if that was the case or if there is actually a bug or issue. So I'm going to go ahead and hit add store. All right, so it should show me, I only have Etsy left. But like I said, you can connect as many as possible. Like it says, you can add as many stores as you want and you can manage them all from one location, okay? So I'm going to hit connect to Etsy. So that is really good. So it says the term Etsy is a trademark of Etsy. The application used the Etsy. Okay, low terms. The store does not exist or was misspelled. That's interesting. That's interesting. I had no issues connecting the other store, but now it's telling me that my store is either misplaced or misspelled. Yeah. So I don't even know what to tell you guys. It would not let me add this Etsy store, but my Shopify store is connected. But it would do the same thing. It would just ask for, permission to allow access of Shirtley to get information to your store. And it will take your catalog from your Etsy or Shopify and bring it into here and you'll sync it. But that is interesting, guys. Um, very interesting. Very, very interesting. So, Shirley does have a group, Facebook group, so maybe I can ask if they're having issues with Etsy right now because I did see someone in the group mentioning something about Etsy. So that can be something. And then here it says something about retrieve latest orders. And I guess for anything that you might have had synced, you could retrieve the orders, and that's what that would be. But I think the orders that I have been doing are not fulfilled by Shirtley, and I haven't switched it from Printful, so therefore it shouldn't pop up. But let's just make sure. Okay, so nothing, nothing came out, nothing new. Um, Oh, it did. So here we go. So I did have a few shirts that were here. So this is how it would look. But what I did was I just basically added them in already. As you see, this name here and this name here. So make sure you're retrieving your orders so then you know exactly which ones that you need to fulfill. And then you would go in and I believe you would edit the order. So this turned into a whole another video. It turned into how to connect your store and then how to retrieve orders. But it would be the same for Etsy. So if there's a glitch with Etsy, that's not something I can help with. That would be something Shirtley would need to fix. But having it, having the option to retrieve your orders in customer name and information and everything is already there is it's awesome. So everything is there. So it says select line item for preview. Let's see more details. Okay, what does it want me to select? Okay, select product. It's a large. Okay, there we go. It's large, black. So I'm thinking it's gonna already pick the large for me. Nope, but it's telling me it's a large. And from looking, I know it's a black shirt. So what it did is basically say they'll save the preference for this shirt in the future, right? So also it's asking me to, sorry guys, my TV just came on. It's asking me to browse for you know, the actual logo. So let me do that because it is in here. Okay, so it says my artwork is out of bound. So now it's not. But here is the print location. So this is standard. This is body, meaning it'll be full. This is like a few inches from the collar. This will be on the belly, pregnancy pictures. And this is just like a pocket for the pocket size shirt, which is awesome because I love this style when the shirt, is right there. But of course, for this order, we will basically do body. But so you know that's there. And then you can center it. You can align it to the top. And then this is just to stretch it out in the printable area, basically. So then you would save that. So this turned out to be a really good video. Even though Etsy was super glitchy, the same exact, you know, things continue with, sorry, excuse me, the same exact things that you did to get, that I did to get my Shopify store, and I showed you guys in the last video how to connect the store. This is just the part after that, what happens after the store is connected. I'm not going to avoid any products because I have so many, which came in handy when I was able to retrieve this order. And then you just go to continue to shipping, and information. But because I'm not going to keep this order, I don't want to go all the way through that. But it would be interesting for someone from Shirtley to reach out to us to figure out, or if us to ask in the group, what is going on with the Etsy connection. Because that would be super important. And if it's a glitch, they would need to know. And like I told you guys, I don't work for Shirtley. This is not my site, but this would be a great place to use to, basically ask the question. Or it's the Facebook group is like Shirtley Fulfillment and something. Shirtley Fulfillment POD Community is the actual website name. So, you can chat with them here, ask that question, or join the Facebook group. Again, you can check out my free print on demand checklist down in the description box. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. I'm super close to getting my channel remonetized. Oh my gosh. It's been a long, long journey, but I really appreciate you guys for watching and supporting my channel. And remember, like I told you guys, I am human. So if you come at me one way, I am coming back. If you want respect, give respect. I am all about helping and sharing information I know, but please don't tell me how to run my channel. Please don't tell me how to create my videos. If it's not to your liking, you guys feel free to go someplace else. I am one person. I can't do it all, and I don't plan on doing it all. I plan on creating and uploading the way I want to and how I want to. So if you're here for someone who's super unfiltered and it's all about balance and boundaries over here, I am your girl. I am not going to sugarcoat anything. I'm not going to give you no fluff. I'm going to tell you what I know, and if I don't know and I can figure it out, I will. But I truly appreciate you guys for watching and checking out my channel. And until next time, I love you guys more than I love this video. Peace.